The Wireless Egg Node, by ORKA Food Technology, Preparation and Test. Connect the USB antenna to the tablet and turn the tablet on. Take the egg, unscrew the lid, and locate the red on-off button inside. Click it and the egg will begin to blink green. Put the lid back on and screw it tightly. The egg node is now ready for use. Locate the ORKA node controller icon and double-click it to launch the program. To start a real-time sampling test, click Start Real-Time Sampling. Then select the node already registered in the system. And press Run. From now on, everything the egg experiences will be shown on the screen. Hitting. Rolling. Shaking. Everything is recorded in real time. When you want to take a snapshot, go to JPG and click it. And take a snapshot. The image will be inserted onto the chart. You can move the image anywhere you like to show the exact location of the impact. Later on, you can zoom in to analyze these impact locations. You can open the image to remind yourself where the impact occurred. Click Auto Range to bring the chart back to its original position. You can use Show Accels to toggle the acceleration data on or off. You can show all the different, colorful accels. Or turn each one off according to your preference for the chart. In this chart you only see the black accel, which represents the combined net force or peak force. For more details on the chart, please refer to page 44 of our user manual. The orange line over here indicates the temperature. Once the test is over, press Stop Sampling and exit the chart. You can always recall previous charts by clicking Load Data Log. Node controller software saves sampling data on your tablet automatically, enabling you to view it and to modify it. For loading and viewing saved data, please refer to page 40 of our user manual.